So I took a little break on the west side. And I'm playing on the west side. And it's okay for you. Take a day to get your mind together.
Setting up for the wedding because my sister and I are gonna do DJs. This is a beautiful backdrop. They redid the floor and it looks beautiful. Looks really nice. That should be a little lower. Yeah. Alright. You sure? Can you go a little bit lower? Yes. Yeah. There's more of those chairs. C'est pourquoi pour une fille regarder mon bien. Ou bien nous should we be here? Yeah, we could. You want to face it this way?
Let's look at this.
Look at them.
Because the door's gonna be closed. Only us are gonna be able to open the door. We can have it like that in the beginning, but like.
Yeah, right now we can set it up that way.
And then later we can just put it towards the door. If you think about it, when people are taking photos of them and videos, we're gonna be in there.
So we could be in the corner.
If we are on the stage like this, we're gonna be in videos and stuff. But
Okay, so the corner right here. And then 2 chairs. Okay, come to the celebration of togetherness. Let's celebrate the newlyweds. Hallelujah. But if it's playing music, is that what it causes the feedback? You like the music? It's giving wedding. It is 1:40. We're still here at church. We did not eat yet, so I have to go get something to eat, okay? And then go home and get ready, but I don't want to eat too much because I don't want to feel bloated, and I'm going to get full quickly, and I'm going to feel ugh. We have to be back here at 4 because the wedding starts at 5. And my childhood friend, she's also having a baby shower today at 5, from 5 to 10. I'm going to see if I can try to make it, but because I'm doing the sound here, I don't know what to do. So connect the board. Is the snake on? Turn on the snake. Then come back. I have to like recurl my hair. The hair's been curled using flexi rods, but now I'm gonna have to recurl it to make it look better. You guys get the behind the scenes access. You guys get to see nothing too crazy. It's just the flowers are like on each side. For my wedding, I want to have it blocked off so like you can't walk through the middle. Only I can do that. And look at these beautiful flowers. Oh my gosh. Flowers are nice. It's giving wedding. You know? Yeah. Alright y'all, so it's working. I had to go figure things out and I had to call our tech to be like, listen, you ain't gonna leave me like this and I don't know what's happening, but now it's working. Let me see if I can change the color. All right. The head is too small. Back at church. It is 4:40. It's supposed to start at 5.
Listen, I knew it was too good to be true, but anyways, it's best that we are here rather than running late trying to rush to put stuff together. So yeah, we're here trying to get the things working. I try to curl my hair really quickly with the flexi rods and try to do the front, but yeah, I did not go as planned. But I went and got my eyebrows done, so my eyebrows look better. I like them when they're done. Like, I got them waxed and I was able to fill it in like much better. Yeah, eyebrow tutorial coming soon. Not really, because whenever I try, it never works out. Oh, it really says disconnected. Okay, so you want to go to her? Can you turn on the TV, please? It's on. Okay, so that's what we're doing. My outfit, I got it from my good homegirl Shein. I feel like I should have sized up, but I didn't. But it's okay. It has like the ruching around here, so that's fine with me. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more looser on your girl. Isn't it pretty? Yeah, it's a nice thing. It is 6 o'clock. Do they put a fake time on the invitation? What is that?
Wait a minute. This is his job. This is not my job. Because I don't know restaurant. I do not know the system.
Ah, could not connect to. What the heck? Oh, maybe the Wi-Fi's not working. Oh, no, but then it would. Say hi to the vlog. I'm vlogging the weekend, like wedding. Say hi to the vlog. What did DJ go do?
Praise the Lord.
Oh, she said
So it's like before
we had to move the stand for this flower. Hey y'all, oh my gosh, it is after the wedding. It's midnight. We were helping, you know, clean everything out, and of course getting like a doggy bag. Karen's at the gas station. She's about to put some gas in her car. Y'all, we made it through by the grace of God. I'm so mad I didn't bring my makeup wipes with me, because if I had my makeup wipes I could take off my makeup. So when I get home, it'll be one less thing to do. I'm gonna go home, put my hair in flexi rods. The curl kind of stayed. Makeup kind of stayed too. Not mad at it either. Yeah, lip was gone. Lip been gone, child. Y'all, my stomach has been in knots since like, I would say like Friday. Today it was like, ooh. But I'm about to go home anyway, so I thank God for that. Overall, it was a great wedding. Baby, my friend was like, when do you know for a Haitian wedding to start on time? I never learned, but ultimately it was okay, and it was a good time. It was a good time. That's pretty much it. I'm so tired. Whenever we have something like this, when I get home, it's so hard for me to wake up in the morning to go to church. But we have to be there on time because we are part of media. So I wasn't able to go to my friend's baby shower, and I feel bad about that. I feel really bad about it, but hopefully I can see her before she leaves, because she doesn't stay down here, and we've been like, it's a childhood friend, you know what I'm saying? Like, we were like best friends, so I feel kind of bad. But hopefully I can see her tomorrow. But she said she leaves tomorrow morning. I don't know what time she's leaving.
You should send her a text.
I'm gonna send her. I don't even have her phone number.
Okay, so
I'm gonna send her a message on Instagram and be like, girl, I double booked. I apologize. Maybe I could see you before you leave. Before I go to church? I don't know. Why is the lighting at the gas station so tea? You filling up your car? I was gonna say that's big money, filling up your car. Ooh. Alright, y'all. I'll catch you guys later. Yes. Oh, I did. It never did that. Period. You want to mute the other stuff? Is it his mic?
it's working. So say hey.
Period. Yeah. Do a hair flip. Ooh. Hey y'all, we're back from church. Oh, my face is so oily, but it's not really oily. It's moisturized. I'm watching. Yeah, I've been obsessed with watching these the cops when they have the body cams and they tell you, like, they show these people. I've been watching them on YouTube. You literally just, like, once you start, you know how YouTube recommends stuff to you, so like my whole page is full with stuff like that. I am not obsessed, but I just watching crime stuff and people who are less than smart commit certain crimes. This one is about two moms. They try to like do fraud at a TD bank and they're like blaming each other. Crazy. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I just had some food, leftovers. Well, not leftovers, well, technically leftovers from the wedding. Food was good. I wasn't able to eat much of it yesterday because my stomach was not in the best shape ever, but today, baby, that food bust down. Okay, I threw it down. It was pretty good. I kind of have a little bit of the itis. I was gonna lie down, but I said, you know what, let's be better. So I'm gonna go for a walk around the neighborhood. Probably gonna take me like 20, 25, at least 30 minutes, so I can feel a little bit better. Get some vitamin. What's the sun? Is the sun vitamin D? I'm gonna get some vitamin D in my system, vitamin C, all the vitamins. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready to go for a walk and then get ready for church. And that's my Sunday. Don't show the neighborhood. Hey y'all, we are back. So I'm about to get ready to put the curls back in the hair, right? These are the overnight curls that I got from Amazon. I have these, but I also have my flexi rods here because I usually put 3 flexi rods on each side, and I wrap it up with my bonnet and my silk scarf so they're all in here. That's what I'm about to do, and you know, call it a night. They won. The Eagles won. I'm not even a huge football, because I don't understand it that much, fan, but hearing the stories of the Eagles, a lot of the players, but of course, you know, the ones that were highlighted were Saquon Barkley and Jalen Hurts, and I just wanted them to win. You know, I wanted them to win, and they won, okay? Towards the end, I was getting nervous. I said, hold on now, they done scored 2 touchdowns. What's going on? Actually 3. I said, what's going on? It was was like 6 to 40, and then it went 12 to 40, and then it went 22 to 40. I said, hold up. But towards the end, it was like they can start celebrating. So I'm so happy that they won. Okay, just to be able to see that the Eagles won is like a great way to end the night. I didn't get a chance to see my longtime friend and go to her baby shower, unfortunately, but hopefully in the near future, hopefully I'm invited to the baby's first birthday if she comes down here again. Like, I'm so terrible, but yeah, you know, life happens, and unfortunately I was double booked. Okay, I probably should have made efforts to see her before. I should have done that, like, hey, I won't be there, but let me come stop by and see you and whatever. I didn't get a chance to do that. I wasn't thinking. I really wasn't thinking, but yeah, I gotta be better. But that's pretty much it, y'all. I am so tired. If you enjoy this vlog, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of me in your timeline, subscribe to your girl. Like I always say, put God first and you'll never be last, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.